Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make an LED matrix clock. As you can see, here I'm using the RTC module, which is a real-time clock module. I have used it in my previous video, which shows time and temperature. And also I am using two push buttons to change the clock phase of the clock, which do have some setups like small, slide function, words, a mini setup, and also it would show in a basic format. All these functions would show. As you can see, this is a slide function of the LED matrix clock, which is very simple to make. You can get all the necessary details, Arduino code, schematics from link in the video description. The RTC clock module uses I2C communication, which would be connected to A4 and A5 pins of the Arduino, which is really simple to code the module. And also it saves time, temperature values from the clock and displays directly to the LED matrix. I have used this LED matrix quite a time, and also I have done a video on my channel on how to use this LED matrix and how to make this LED matrix. This video is sponsored by Thomson Electronics. They are the best dealers in commercial supplies of electronic components in India, with high quality products and a wide variety of category to choose from. To make this LED matrix clock, first I have placed the Arduino Nano along with two push buttons on a breadboard. After that, we need a common ground. For that, I have connected to two common terminals of the ground, connected them to the ground pin, and the other side of the two push buttons, one would be connected directly to the D2 of the Arduino Nano, and the other side of the button will be connected directly to the D3. Then I took the RTC module, which is the real-time clock module, which uses I2C interface. Firstly, I connected to the 5V and ground pin of the Arduino, which gives power to the RTC module. After that, we use the I2C interface, which would be directly connected to the A4 and A5 pins of the Arduino. Then I took the LED matrix, which has ground, VCC, DN, CS and clock pin. The clock pin will directly connect to the D12 pin of the Arduino. You can get the circuit diagram from link in the video description. This is the Arduino code for the LED matrix clock. As you can see, first I have initialized the library, the DS3231 library, Adafruit library. After that, I initialized the DS3231 by using SD and SCL pins. Then I initialize the constant byte of LDR pin, CS pin, and the horizontal displays and the vertical displays. The LDR pin will be connected to AR and CS would be connected to A4. The other two are connected to the digital pin 4 and 1. After that, we initialize the horizontal displays and the vertical displays of the LED matrix. Then I initialize the constant byte for wait time of 30 seconds, as you can see, and the spacer length equal to 1 and the font length equal to 5 plus the spacer length with the fine pin of the wide angle pixel with the 5. Then we enter the void setup. Inside the void setup, I have initialized the pin mode of the LDR pin as input pull up. The serial begin with 9600 baud rate and we begin the RTC function. Then I set position for the LED matrix to with 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. LED matrix position would be variably changing. Then we enter the void loop. Inside the void loop, I have initialized the byte LED intensity would be the analog read of the LED LDR pin, and which has a variable or the bright angle from 0 to 15, and the string output is equal to output of the string clock. Then we have a symbol function for initializing I is equal to 0, and the font width would be the output length, and the matrix width would be the spacer plus plus, and we fill the LED matrix with the low, and also we initialize the output string of the clock with the initialization variable, which would be printing in the center and the text vertically, and we initialize the LED matrix width and the height, and we initialize the spacer length. As you can see, we have initialized the LED matrix and we are writing a font of letter X font width, and we write the LED matrix. We have a small delay over here which has been initialized. After that, if serial is available, we adjust the clock. It would be from the user. As you can see, we have a push button which has been carried out, and we adjust the clock as we have mentioned from the serial begin function to the serial.read. After that, we adjust the clock with the serial data, and we have the substring to initialization, and we set the RTC time with the hour, minute and second and the date, and we serial print the date time has successfully set. Then we initialize the string output of the clock. The string output would be the string which has been getting from the serial data and also which has been saved to the clock, and we get the string values from the digital clock, and we set the LED intensity would be intensity light, and we set the bright value. We have a certain value of 127 and increase value of 319 to 512, and we set the values. After that we return the values from the clock. This is the Arduino code. Let's see and upload the code to the Arduino. After uploading the code, as you can see, the time is successfully displaying in the LED matrix. We can easily change by using the push buttons which has been connected to the digital pin of the Arduino. You can use any digital pin of the Arduino for this function, and the LED matrix would be connected directly to the Arduino along with the RTC real-time clock which is communicating in I2C. And I also made a small PCB. As you can see, you can get the circuit diagram and all the necessary details from the link in the video description. I'm using the RTC module as I have said. It uses the I2C communication with the pins A4 and A5 which is analog pins of the Arduino Nano, and also two push buttons to change the time of the RTC module which connected to the digital pin, and also the LED matrix header pin over here which directly connect to the Arduino. We connected VIN and ground to power the module with a 9-volt battery, or we can use the charging port of the Arduino which directly connected to the VIN, VCC, ground. As you can see, the two pins are directly connected to the digital pin. When I power up the module, it should light up like this, and which displays the clock. This is how you can make your very own DIY clock by using Arduino, the LED matrix, RTC module. RTC module is a real-time clock module. It also shows temperature from the Arduino. So I hope you like the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.